Namaste everyone, welcome from Raj Yoga Rishikesh. Today we will show you 5 yoga asana that will definitely ease your lower back pain. Lower back pain can be caused by various reasons such as wrong posture, obesity and arthritis or any other reason. If you are having lower back pain over a period of time for any of these reason or any other reason, these 5 yoga asana will definitely ease your lower back pains. So let's begin. First asana is Marjari asana or also known as cat cow stretch. For this pose, come on the tabletop position, spread your knee to the side at least hip width apart and your arms at least shoulder width apart. Now one deep inhalation and raise your chin away from the mat and your belly toward the mat. Exhale, do opposite, bring your chin toward the mat and your whole back away from the mat. Repeat this for at least 10 times or 20 times. You may do this for next 1 or 2 minutes. This is a very good and gentle stretch for your spine. It stretches the vertebrae of your spine and give you a nice massage, which is also a nice warm up for your spine. The next pose or the second asana is Makar asana or crocodile pose. So for crocodile pose, lay down on your belly or stomach, keeping your chin on the floor. Now bring your arms forward side, push your forearm toward the mat and lift your chin and chest up. Make sure your shoulders and elbow are stacked over. Your shoulder and elbow in one line. Now you may also lift your forearm up and place your palms on your chin. You support your palms on your chin. So this asana will gently stretch your lower back. Hold this asana for next 3 minutes and stay here. Keep breathing slowly. That is very important that you breathe very slowly, especially deep down to your belly. The next pose or the third asana is Bhujangasana or Cobra pose. For Cobra pose, again you need to stay in your belly. Keep your palms by the side of your chest, tucking your elbows in, chin on the floor, keeping your feet together. Inhale and slowly lift your chin up, your chest up to your navel. Broaden your shoulders to the side and draw it away from the neck. That's very important. It shouldn't go toward the neck, and keeping your elbows slightly toward your body. If you're feeling any pain here, you may just spread your leg to the side. Spread your leg to the side and don't bend too much back. You may keep bending your elbows and do not lift too much up. Exhale and slowly come down. You may hold this pose for at least 30 seconds or 1 minute. You may also repeat at least 3 times the Cobra pose. This is very nice pose for your lower back pain. Last pose or the 5th pose is bridge pose or Setu Bandhasana. For Setu Bandhasana, you need to be on your back. So turn and go on your back. Bend your leg, lay down on your back and keep your leg bended in such a way that your knees and your hip are aligned. Now, keeping your arms by the side, inhale, slowly lift your hip and your lower back up. Slowly raise it up away from the floor. You may also interlock your fingers and push your lower back slowly more up, and your weight is slowly on your shoulders and your feet. Hold this pose for minimum 30 seconds to 1 minute and slowly with exhale come down. So this asana also you may repeat for 3 times, and in the end just bend your knees closer to your chest and hold it and breathe slowly here at least 30 seconds, and finally release your leg, straighten your leg and relax in Savasana. These are the 5 asanas that will definitely help ease your lower back pain. One thing is very important here is breath. So breath is your key in all the asanas. So breath very slowly and mindfully. You will have a great benefit in all these asanas. For more detail, visit our website www.rajyogarishikesh.com. We conduct a yoga teacher training, yoga retreat and other yoga courses online and offline in Rishikesh. Thank you very much.